Presenting the 2006 Kia Optima. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, and AM/FM stereo. Call today to schedule a test drive.